Hey folks, I hope you are doing well and you're watching the English Snob. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to get used of overused expressions in English. When we start to learn a language, we start with a very basic set of expressions. And as we evolve with our language, we continue using them over and over again. And this makes our speech boring, isn't it? So today we are going to dig into your speech. We're going to identify those overused expressions, and I'm going to give you some expressions so you could sound more like a native speaker and make your speech diversify. If you're interested, let's jump into it.
Hi, Snow.
Hey Dasha.
Seems you are sad. What's wrong?
Yeah, I got laid off from my work recently.
Oh, I'm so sorry to hear that.
Yeah, I'm not feeling well.
Hey, keep your chin up. I'm sure you will find another job soon.
Can you help me out?
Yeah, sure, please.
Can you lend me $500 until next month?
Oh, I'm afraid I can't. I'm out of cash myself.
Fair enough. First expression. When she said, "Seems you are sad, what's wrong?" I used an expression. I said I got laid off from my work recently. It means I was fired. I don't have my job anymore. Or you could say I got dismissed. I got fired. I got unwaged. I got kicked out. I've been promoted to a customer. Alright? Second expression. When I said I got laid off from my work recently, she used an expression. She said, "I'm sorry to hear that." Here, sorry doesn't mean that she was apologizing for something. It just shows that she was feeling bad for me. For example, if your friend says, "Hey, I got failed in my exam," you could say, "I'm sorry to hear that." Or you could say, "What a pity. That's awful. That's terrible. Better luck next time. That really sucks." Alright? When I said, "I'm broke, can you lend me $500 until next month?" she used an expression. She said, "Oh, I'm afraid I can't. I'm out of cash myself." Well, this phrase doesn't show fear. It doesn't mean that you're terrified, you're afraid, you're scared. It's a polite expression to say something negative. For example, if your friend asks you, "Hey, can I borrow your car for a couple of days?" you could say, "Oh, I'm afraid I can't." If somebody asks me, "Hey Snob, where did you learn English?" What I say? "Oh, I'm afraid I can't tell you. That's a secret, my friend. If I told you, I have to kill you." That's a lie. Alright? Last expression. When she said, "I'm afraid I can't. I'm out of cash myself," I used an expression. I said, "Fair enough." It means I can accept that. That sounds reasonable. This is acceptable. That works for me. Okay, I understood. Or you could say, "That's completely okay." Alright? So we have come across some new expressions. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for stopping by.